Right, a bit of a crude setup, but let's see if we get this working right. I'm going to flick it on. Okay. Oh, way up, we've got errors. Intuition attempt to reset the workbench. Whoops. No. Right, so it loaded up with a few errors. Let's double click on workbench. Right, so as you can see at the top here, I've got memory. Right, okay, so I'm supposed to go to, what is it now, install 3.2, right. Let's boot that up on the GoTech. Install 3.2. Screen res is totally out anyway, but we'll see. Click on install. English. Okay. Pause it. 3.2, yes, right. Install CPU support, yes. Proceed. MMU libs, yes. MMU libs, right. Get to MMU libs. Right, the manufacturer's card, so it's not a phase 5, so I'm going to go with other than. Proceed. Right, that's loading in the files. I'll just pause that there. Is now complete. To activate these libraries, you must reboot. You want to remove. Right, so I'll switch my GoTech off. Click proceed. And that's going to reboot a ticket. Right, so it's still got errors. Right, so that's the MMUs all in. Right, so I've still got 6 mega memory. Right, so if I now switch it off. Graphic card. Graphic card. I'll get my memory card. Okay, that's in. Reboot. So whatever errors are on that file, still got, so. Oh, can't load pictures, okay. Right. And we've still got 0 memory. Yeah, and that's with everything in. gutted. Right, so if I try and load in my card, oh actually, where's the oh, we got it's on here, haven't we? Amiga test kit, what's that? Not enough memory to run test kit. Got sysinfo or anything like that. Nope. See if we can find sysinfo. Let me just pause it. Mouse is locked up. I just clicked on the games on there and it's no right. Control Alt reboot. So it's full of errors. Object already exists. Right. Yeah, continue. Amiga test kit. Not enough memory. Dopish, not enough memory. Is it? Yeah, it says it's at the top here, look. I've got 0 memory. I have to just put in them files in. So, I don't know what to tell you, kidder. Right, that's it. Finished for the night. It's now, what, nearly 2 o'clock in the morning. So that's me done.